here the organisms they are getting energy. So some organisms are synthesizing food materials, their own food materials are synthesized by the photosynthetic organisms or photosynthetic plants, and some organisms depending on the other plants or other organisms for food material. So here different type of organisms autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic means here their own food materials are synthesized by the plants. So this type of autotrophic organisms like photosynthetic all green plants, and cyanobacteria also. Cyanobacteria, unicellular, sometimes multicellular also. Prokaryotes, photosynthetic all green plants synthesizing their own food material by photosynthesis process. They are called as autotrophic organisms, autotrophs. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algal members. The blue-green algal members are also synthesizing their own food materials. So these are called as autotrophic organisms. So here the food material, their own food materials are synthesized by photosynthesis process. Next, heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophic organisms are animals. Mainly animals they are depending for the food material on plants or other animals. And sometimes saprophytes also. Saprophytism. So saprophytes like fungal members. So fungal members they obtain their energy or food materials from decaying or dead organisms. So they are fungal members. Fungi, they obtain energy or food from dead or decaying material. Decaying matter. Here autotrophic organisms, they synthesize their own food material by photosynthesis process, and heterotrophs, they get energy or food materials, or they are depending for food materials on plants, or plants, sometimes animals also. So herbivores are there, carnivores are also there. Herbivores they eat only plant parts. Carnivores, some animals are eating another animals. So these are carnivores. Herbivores are depending for food material on plants. Carnivores are depending for food material on other animals. So fungi obtain food from a dead or decaying matter. So these are different type of organisms. So from these food materials they are getting energy, or they are obtaining energy. And here all these food materials, they are synthesizing or getting food material from different sources. So this food material is the food material is important for the energy. So what is the link between the food and energy? So the respiration, in the respiration process the food materials are oxidized, and in this oxidation process energy is released. So here there is a link between the food material and energy. So they are connected by this respiration. So in the respiration process, food material is converting, or food material is from the food material, the energy is released.